Hi guys, this is Divya. I am from CSC second year Ashankar Institute of Technology. My Tech Talk presentation today topic name is What is SQL? What is SQL? SQL is a widely used to data science and analysis following the reason which is explained way is widely used. The basic use of the SQL for the data professional and SQL user is insert the update the and delete from the relation database. SQL allows the professional and user the receive to the data from the SQL allows the it is also helpful the describe the structured data. It allows SQL user to create, drop and manipulate the database and edit table. It is also help in creating the view, stored, processor and functions in the relation database. It allows you to define the data and modify that stored data in a relation database. It allows the SQL user set of the also stored data in the relation database. It also SQL user to set of the permissions or constraints on the table column use and store the procedure. History of SQL. History of SQL is a relation model in a data for the large shelf data banks was a paper which are published by the Greater Computer is EF code in 1970. The researchers remained the un- original developed the SQL structure English query language. After learning from the paper given by they both developed the SQL scan at the end of the 1970s, relation software in the developed their own first SQL used the concept of the code. The SQL was totally based on RDBMS relation software in the which is known Corporation introduced Oracle June 1979, which is the first implementation of SQL language. This Oracle V2 version operations on VAX computer. Process of SQL. When we are executing the commands of the SQL on any relation database management system, then the system automatically finds the best routine of the carry out of the request. And the SQL engine determine the how to interrupt the particular command. Structured query language contains the following four components of the process. Query query, optimizing engines, class query engine, SQL query engine, etc. A class query engine allows data professional and user to maintain the non-SQL queries. The architecture of SQL is shown in the following the some of the commands. The SQL commands help in the creating and the managing and the database. The most command SQL commands which is highly used to mention the below the creating commands, update command, delete command, select command, drop command, insert command, Create command is a this is command helped in creating the new database, new table, view table and other objects of the database. Update command. This command helps in the updating or changing the stored data in the database. Delete command in the command helps in the removing the or raising the saved records of the database user single the multiple of the database. Select command which is the access of the single or multiple rows of the or multiple tables of the database. We can use the command as it is work process. Insert command help to insert the data or records into the database table. We can easily insert the records or single view multiple rows of the table. Thank you friends.